So airlines are canceling flights because COVID is causing staffing issues. News 8's Chris Groh is live with how Omicron is impacting holiday plans. Good morning to you, Chris.
And good morning, Evan and Netta. And normally we'd be covering last minute travel and seeing all of these people at the airport, but a lot of people are showing up at the airport today and finding out that their flight has been canceled. United has canceled more than 100 flights due to COVID-related staffing shortages. We also know that Delta and JetBlue have also canceled some flights. So again, the impact of COVID-19 is really being felt, especially today. Now, airline indicators are urging the CDC to try to update its isolation guidelines for fully vaccinated people. It remains to be seen if that's something that's going to be done in time for the holidays, but it's really easy to see exactly the type of mess that COVID is making. Many Americans we saw rushing to get tested before meeting with family, whether that was being done locally or if they were getting on a flight and traveling abroad. We've seen lines build up, especially here in SoCal. And a lot of this, again, is because of the spread of the Omicron variant. Early studies suggest that the Omicron variant is less severe illness than other variants, but experts say the unvaccinated are still at risk. New York City is responding to the rise in cases. They've been scaling back their New Year's celebration in Times Square. Normally, there's about 1,000 people in each viewing area there, but this year only 250. Those in attendance 5 years and older must be fully vaccinated and wear a mask to attend. So it is a big difference from what we saw last year in terms of how many people are going to be there. And it is a great thing. We're still going to have that celebration, but they're already starting to scale that back. Here in SoCal, we're seeing changes too. St. Mary's Medical Center in Apple Valley put up its triage tent after taking it down last winter.
We are worried that there'll be a peak after Christmas, mid-January, yes. So if we're busy now and we get even busier after Christmas, that's going to be really hard to manage.
Now, of course, when we're talking about Times Square, normally pre-COVID, you would see maybe 60,000 people crammed on those streets into those viewing areas. But again, to give you an idea of how much they are scaling it back, about only 15,000 will be this year. Again, that's assuming that things don't change going forward.